Welcome to the channel. This video will take you on the journey of clean lettuce, from lush green gardens to the table you enjoy every day. Welcome to the future of farming, where technology cultivates fresh greens on an unprecedented scale. Automated precision ensures each fresh head of lettuce is harvested gently and efficiently. A fleet of advanced refrigerated trucks transports fresh produce to the state-of-the-art processing facility. Colossal robotic arms meticulously unload pallets, ensuring product integrity from the start. A vast network of conveyors transports the greens deep into the factory for processing. This seamless, automated transfer ensures efficiency and maintains optimal conditions for the produce. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each leaf, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Powerful air jets swiftly remove any detected imperfections, diverting them with surgical precision. This relentless precision ensures every package contains only the highest standard of freshness. This precise sorting guarantees consistent quality, a fundamental step in delivering premium salad greens. Gigantic multi-lane coring machines efficiently prepare freshly harvested lettuce for packaging. Synchronized robotic arms descend, preparing to expertly remove the tough cores. The tough cores are extracted with surgical precision, leaving behind perfect greens. The waste cores are efficiently channeled away for processing, maintaining a pristine environment. This automated precision ensures every head of lettuce is perfectly prepared for consumption. Freshly harvested salad greens begin their journey through the primary washing floors. Powerful currents gently agitate the leaves, ensuring a thorough and consistent wash. The precisely engineered flumes optimize water flow for unparalleled cleanliness. Underwater cameras reveal the meticulous care taken with each delicate leaf. Robotic precision ensures optimal flow and hygiene throughout the entire system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Every step is meticulously controlled, from entry to exit, ensuring immaculate produce. Advanced filtration ensures that only the purest water touches our premium salad greens. Every stage is meticulously engineered to ensure each leaf receives a perfect, gentle wash. Advanced sorting technologies immediately follow, preparing the greens for their next stage. Through advanced systems, we ensure maximum contact with purified water for peak freshness. This state-of-the-art facility processes incredible volumes, always prioritizing quality and cleanliness. Reflecting modern design and impeccable hygiene, our facilities shine. From turbulent cascades to gentle currents, every leaf is purified to perfection. From gentle flumes, fresh greens begin their journey into powerful dryers. Powerful centrifuges activate, initiating the high-speed spin cycle. Inside, greens are gently pressed against the drum, shedding every last drop of moisture. Precision and power combine for optimal freshness and shelf life. Every droplet of water is meticulously removed, preparing the greens for packaging. Advanced robotics aid in the seamless flow of production. The heart of efficiency, advanced sensors monitor the drying progress. The final spin ensures optimal dryness, crucial for fresh, crisp salad. The pristine centrifugal drying hall operates with meticulous precision and unwavering dedication. The continuous cycle of drying ensures a fresh and consistent supply of salad greens. From the dryers, the perfectly crisp greens are now ready for their final destination. Automated systems precisely prepare fresh greens for your table. Razor-sharp blades ensure a precise and consistent cut. Various cuts ensure perfect salad blends every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Advanced robotics ensure consistent quality and precision in every step. From intake to output, every leaf is handled with unparalleled care. From whole leaf to perfect portion, the process is seamless and sanitary. Colossal blending drums gently combine diverse greens, ensuring a perfect mix without bruising. Different greens converge, feeding precisely into the colossal blending drums. Dark green spinach glides along, ready to join the perfect blend. Inside, the blend tumbles gently, maintaining peak freshness and quality. The blend is perfected, achieving a consistent, vibrant, and homogeneous mix. Robotic arms guide produce with unmatched precision and hygiene. A continuous flow of diverse greens, seamlessly fed into multiple blending drums. The blending hall hums with precise, gentle automation, a testament to modern food production. Colossal multi-head weighers precisely measure salad greens, preparing them for packaging. Precisely measured portions of salad cascade down a central chute, ready for the next stage. Each meticulously weighed portion of salad is poised for its final journey into packaging. A skilled technician ensures the precision of every weighed portion, upholding quality standards. The synchronized drop of salad portions is a marvel of engineering, ensuring consistent quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The multi-head weigher, a testament to automation, tirelessly ensures perfect portions. art of efficiency. Salad greens are swiftly dispatched for immediate packaging. A continuous roll of pristine plastic film feeds into the advanced VFFS machine, ready for transformation. Inside, the freshly harvested, vibrant green salad leaves, crisp and dewy. They exhibit varied shapes, some smooth and broad, others crinkled or ruffled, highlighting their tender, living texture, are carefully settled, perfectly presented. A perfectly sealed bag containing freshly harvested, vibrant green salad leaves, crisp and dewy. They exhibit varied shapes, some smooth and broad, others crinkled or ruffled, highlighting their tender, living texture. Glides smoothly onto the conveyor. Bags emerge in a continuous stream, a symphony of automation ensuring consistent quality and speed. Gleaming components work in synchronized rhythm, a testament to robust engineering and continuous operation. From raw greens to sealed bags, this colossal machinery orchestrates a rapid, seamless transformation. Advanced robotics ensure every bag of salad greens is perfectly cased for delivery. Each bag finds its designated spot, ensuring optimal packaging density. Filled cases seamlessly transition to the next phase, ready for palletizing. Methodically, each case is placed, building perfect, stable pallet formations. Seamlessly, each bag of salad greens is picked, placed, and secured into its case. Witness the powerful ballet of automation, meticulously building each pallet for transport. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The robotic symphony of production, a testament to modern efficiency. From conveyor to perfectly stacked pallets, automation transforms fresh produce into ready-to-ship goods.